Okay, hi guys. So it's day 3 today.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just got back from dinner and we have showered. And welcome to our humble abode. This is our apartment. Baron. There's a room there, but we sleep in the living room. Yeah, so this is our mattress. As you can see, there's money. So this video basically is we want to just update you guys on how much we have left after 3 days. So as you can see, we want to do the counting.
Okay, basically I think down here we have about, let's see, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's about 450. And then over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in
That's
total that
550.
is, yeah,
That's
550. Okay, then I have $2 and 50 cents. So that is $552.50.
Okay, then over here I have, as you can see, there's $1 here. So that's $553.50, $554.50, $155.50, and plus $6, so $561.50 plus $20. So that leaves us with $581.50 after 3 days of living on less. So
we're going to calculate how much roughly we have for the next 27 days. So if we take, I think
we need a calculator.
I think mental sum should be okay.
Okay lah.
Yeah.
So we round the number is about $21.53.
Yeah.
Between the both of us for the rest of each day for the rest of the next 27 days.
So that is about, I think, $10 per person. So that will cover 3 meals, that will cover our transport, that will cover any emergencies.
Yeah.
Like I think today.
Just update you. My shoe actually the sole came out, so I actually had to spend money on shoe glue to actually mend it because we didn't want to spend money on a pair of shoes. So hopefully the glue will hold for the next 2 months and we don't have to waste money on shoes. Yeah. So I think we're both tired, long day. Louis, tell them the good news.
Oh yeah, I found a job, so I'll be working tomorrow. I start work actually 7 a.m. So it's about 7 to 3 p.m. So that's pretty good, but that means I have to wake up very, very early and I have to walk to work.
So what are you working as?
I'm gonna be working as like I don't know, they call it a fresh fruits and vegetable segment in one of the supermarkets. Yeah. So that's what they assigned me to do. Yeah. So thankfully it's near, so I can walk even though it's quite a distance. But yeah, what to do? Save money.
Yeah. So it's great that both of us are now employed, so it doesn't feel like Louis like a liability.
Thanks.
Yeah. So we do stay tuned to our blog. Remember to actually check our budget page. We actually record down each and every expense that we actually make. So do stay tuned to our budget page and also keep a lookout for more vlogs to come. And yeah, we want to wish you all a very great night ahead.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye.